This is the login page for our project. This login credentials are admin, username is admin and password also admin. Okay, and if you want to log out, here, here you can able to log out. And this register will not work. There is another project for another process for registration, and will log in our application. Okay, this is our tracking system, and in this project containing mainly containing three modules like students, events, and placements. Admin can able to register and he can able to add the students. 2017 to 2019 admission date 2017. Name is gender. If the student is working after completion of his graduation, if he is working, then if he is doing any job, he will mention the job name, IT employee or non-IT employee or any others. Okay, which department, section, others name. Father's ID. Here you can I'm able to give any ID like national ID like PAN ID or something. Mobile number. Mother's name. Mother's nationality. Mother's mobile number. Submitted. If you submit this thing, then it will create one table, students table, and here the student list contains the students table. Okay, this is the first record. Pawan Kalyan is the first record previously created, and the page 2. In page 2 contains the second records. Okay, if you add any other records, it will create the pages 1, 2, 3 like that. And if you want to know the complete information, you can click this detail button. Here, student academic info, student personal info, and student father info, mother info like that. We will get. And in is the student information like our profile, we can able to edit also. Like this we can able to edit also. Okay, let's check. And coming to the events, Events contains the two submodules like create notes and notifications list. Okay, create notes. Here, the admin department, like college department, will create the notifications like job notifications or something. They will create. I'm going to create one job notification like campus placements with the company mail ID hr@tcs.com. Number of openings 60. Type of job IT or non-IT like that. Is there any image related to that job post? They will upload. Passed out years. Eligibility criteria. Interview date. Departments. Recruitment. Like which positions are they are recruiting for which position. Here salary. Submit. Okay. If you submit this information, it will go to the notifications list. Okay, this is the information, and HCL, it is previously added information, and second record is the TCS record. It contains the recently added information, and it's also we can able to edit. Admin can able to edit, and like can able to edit, and we can able to check the details also. Okay, and here we can able to delete this record also. Okay, there is no pages. Okay, students also we can able to delete. We can able to delete the student also. If you click this uh, cross button, then it will delete the record. Okay, and this is about the event module. Okay, you understand about the student and event module. Okay, let's go with the placements module. Basically, students will check the things like uh, they need to check the notifications. No, for that, whoever the students are there, like whoever the passed out students are there, for those students admin have to add admin have to register, admin have to give the login credentials. For that we need to go to the admin, another admin, Django default admin interface, 8000/admin. Here can able to add the records, add the users user logins like student name is Pawan Kalyan with password. Save. Okay, the record is successfully saved. The user is successfully created. Okay, now log out as an admin and log in as a student. And these are the credentials. Pawan Kalyan and capital P, small p, and then 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then after register, after logged in, student will check these things like is there any placements are there in our college, like TCS placement is there. if you want to register to that placement, just the student will go to the job register module, and here they need to provide the details like registration number and which company they want to participate, and a name, skills, mobile number, passed out year, and a branch. Okay, they will submit the details. Okay, successfully submitted. Okay, these are the registered students, and we cannot able to delete these things. Okay, and okay, these are the main modules. Coming to gallery. Okay, gallery contains the events related images, and is there any events are done in their college, they will upload these images. The admin will upload the images. I'm just uploading the sample image. Okay, like this they will upload the images back to home. Okay, this is the complete project. And main thing, the admin credentials are like admin, username and password is admin itself, admin, that's it. And the second thing is admin need to, like admin need to add to the admin need to create the login credentials for students. Okay, here. Okay, these are the main things. Okay, thank you.